Good morning, students. Welcome back. Welcome back to the session of Boolean Algebra. And today's session is Boolean Algebra 30. And today's class we will be learning K-maps for 4 variables. So, today's session is session part number 30. And let us quickly have a recap of the weightage of this chapter, how the division or the marks distribution of this chapter. Let's quickly have a recap. So in the previous session we discussed K-maps for 3 variables. So simplification, we did simplification or minimization using K-maps, and we used 3 variables. So let's see what we will be discussing in today's class. Today's class we will be learning the simplification or minimization of Boolean expressions using K-maps, and then we will be using the 4 variables today. Let us see how we can do the mapping for 4 variables. Let us see and take the example for this. So given the expression in 4 variables, ಇಲ್ಲಿ specify ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ in 4 variables ಅಂತ. Draw the K-map for the function m0, m1, m4, m8, m9, m10, m11, m12, m13. So as we know that m8, 9 ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 8, 9 comes only in 4 variables. So we need to draw the 4 variable K-map. So here we have 4 variable K-map. So this column we will be representing Wx, and this way we will be representing y and z. Now m0. So now we will be marking the given expressions onto the maps. m0, m2, m4, m8 is here, m9, m10, m11, m12 and m13. Okay. Now we will see how we can do the grouping. So group ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. See, these 4 can be formed into one group as they are adjacent, and these 4 can be in one group. We can make this one join with this one or this one. ಈ one ಜೊತೆ group ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ both are correct. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೇ ಇದೆ, ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, we will map rule method use ಮಾಡಿ ಇದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ we will pair up. So let's do the grouping. First let us do the marking. Let this be one quad and this can become another quad, and this either m13 or m9 can be one group, or m12 or m13 can be one group. Both are correct. So we have grouped m13 and m9. Now this one can be joined with this one. So now we can mark this as one quad. This can be one more quad. This can be one pair. This can be another pair. Rest we can put 0. So this can be one quad, say quad 1, and this can be one pair, say pair 1. As we already have one pair, we can make this as pair 2. And this can be quad 2. So we have two pairs and two quads. So we need to do the grouping. How we have done? Just have a look. ಈ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ನ ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಾ, ಈ ಫೋರ್ನ ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೂಪ್. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ಇದೆರಡು 8 ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಆಲ್ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್, zeros ones ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 8 ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ. We have to form two groups. One is quad 1 and this. This we have made as quad 1 and this we have marked as quad 2. And there are two more ones left. That is this 13 ಮತ್ತೆ 2. 13 ಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, 12 ಜೊತೆ ಪೇರ್ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ 9 ಜೊತೆ ಪೇರ್ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಬಟ್ 1ಗೆ 6 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೆ 3 ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 2ನ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, 0 ಜೊತೆ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀವಿ. ವಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ರೋಲ್ ಮೆಥಡನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ us write down and how we have done this grouping. 12, 13 ಒಂದು, 2, 0 ಒಂದು. Let me note down. So quad 1 is 8, M8, M9, M10, M11, and quad 2 is M0, M4, M12 and M8. Pair 1 is 0 and 2, M0 and M2. Then pair 2 is 12 and 13. So now let's write the expression. So let's start with quad 1. Quad 1 is 8, 9, 10, 11. 8, 9, 10 and 11. Let's write the expression for the same. 8x wxyz wxyz plus wxyz plus ಮೇಲೆ ಬಾರ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ನು ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ. We have to put 8 is w bar xyz, 9 is w bar xy z bar, 10 is w bar x bar yz, 11 is w bar so quad 1 is wxyz plus wxyz plus wxyz plus wxyz. So 8 is 1 0 0 0, so it is 1 0 0 0. 9 is 1 0 0 1, so 0 0 1 0 0 1. 10 is 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. 11 is 1 0 1 1. Okay. Now let us write the common terms. W W W W. So W is the common term. Y z x bar x bar x bar x and x bar is also common. Y bar y bar y, so illa z bar z ide, so W x bar is common. W x bar is common from quad 1. Let's keep it that way. Let's take so now let's take pair 1. Pair 1 is M0 and M2, M0 and M2. XYZ, WXYZ plus WXYZ. So 0 is W bar, X bar, Y bar, Z bar. 2 is 0011. So that is 0 0 1 0. So the common terms in both the expression is w bar, x bar, y bar, y. So y bar common illa z bar. So w, x and z bar is common. It is w bar is common, x bar is common and z bar is common. Let's take the quad 2. Quad 2 is m0, m4, m8, m12. That is w, x, y, z plus w, x, y, z. That is 0 is w bar, x bar, y bar, z bar. 4 is w bar, x, y bar, z bar. 8 is 100, that is w, x bar, y bar, z bar. 12 is 1100, that is w, x, y bar, z bar. Now let's find the common terms. W bar will w ಇದೆ. So we can't take w. X bar, x ಇದೆ. ಅದು common ಇಲ್ಲ. Y bar, y bar, y bar, y bar. So ನಾಲ್ಕು terms ಅಲ್ಲಿ we have y bar is common. ಆಮೇಲೆ z bar, z bar, z bar, z bar. So z bar is common. So y bar and z bar is common. So now let us take pair 2. So pair 2 is 12 and 13. So let's write the expression for the same. Twelve is 1100. So 1100, 12, 1100. 13 is 1101. So let's write the common terms here. We have w is common, x is common, and then y bar is common. So y bar. So we have finished quad 1 and we have finished quad 2. We have finished pair 1 and then we have finished pair 2. So now we have the simplified expressions from all the 4. So let us write the simplified expression. simplified expression is, so we have wx plus yz plus wxz plus wxy. ಇನ್ನು ಬಾರ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ, now I will put. So it is wx bar then we have y bar z bar. Next we have w bar x bar z bar. Then we have wx y bar. So this is the simplified expression. So you can see pair 1, pair 2, pair 1, pair 2, quad 1, quad 2. So this is how we can do. This carries 5 marks. Kindly pay attention and do it by yourself again and again, because this carries 5 marks. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 5 marks ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Hope you have understood this, how we have done this. You can just go through this once again. So you can just I'll just put the previous slide, the marking what we have done. So 0, 4, 12, 8, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 ಮತ್ತೆ 2, 0. So we can see the quad 1 is 8, 9, 10, 11. We mark quad 2 as 0, 4, 8, 12. Pair 1 as 0 and 2. And then pair 2 is 12 and 13. And common expressions na ತೆಗೆದುಬಿಟ್ಟು we have written the simplified expression. Hope you have understood this. Let's take another example and do the marking. Let's reduce the expression using K-map for 4 variables. Given the expression in 4 variables, draw the K-map for the function. So they have given 4 variables, so we need to draw the map and we have to simplify. So let's start marking. As you know, m 9, 11, 13 ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು, 4 ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಅಂತ. ಇನ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫೈಡ್. ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಎಮ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಿನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್, ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಎಮ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಟರ್ಮ್. ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ we have not yet started, we will start in coming sessions. Let's get started and let's start marking the terms on the map. M2, 2 ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ here, we'll put 1. M3, next is M5, M7, M9, M11 and M13. M2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. So here we can't make these as one group, this as one group, because there is no 1 here. So we need to form pairs. See, these two can be one pair. So now we will start grouping. So we can make these two as one pair, these two as these two as one pair, these two as one pair. Then we have this one left. Either 13 9 ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ 5 ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, your choice. So I'll join 13 and 9. Let's do the marking now. So let's put the other squares with 0. Let's fill it with 0. So let's mark the, let it be pair 1 and this be pair 2 and let this be pair 3 and let this be pair 4. So just we'll make a note of the grouping what we have done. Pair 1 is 9 and 11, 2 is 9 and 13, 3 is 2 and 3 and 4 is 5 and 7. So hope you have understood the marking. Next we'll try to reduce it by writing the expression. So hope you have understood 4 variables, K-map, how to mark and grouping. And next class we will simplify the previous example. Thanks for your patience listening. God bless you all. Have a great day ahead.